Hello friends, welcome to my channel VSP Law channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Today we are going to discuss about the set-aside petition in civil cases. So what is the meaning of set-aside petition? When it is arise, how to file, whom to file and what steps. So friends, first of all, set-aside means, so a petition, set-aside petition means, set-aside means to put one side. That is called set-aside. Here is that clearly when any order passed by the court in absence of the defendant, so that order will be put as a side. So the term is called set aside. So here is that already we discussed plaintiff, defendant. Plaintiff means who filing the case is the plaintiff. Defendant means to whom to file the case, defendant. Here is the when it is arise question of the set aside. Clearly listen friends. First of all, after filing the suit by the plaintiff has to send a copies of the case through the summons, through the process of the summons. Summons means here is the notice, type of notice. So after receiving the summons from the court, honorable court, that the defendant has to come to the court by engage advocate. He has to file his version in form of the written statements, that is called WS. So here is the 2 points, is remember that. After receiving the summons from the court by the defendant, he can, if he approach the court by engage advocate, then the court will give the 30 days time to file a WS or counter. If he is not filed WS within 30 days, in exception cases, the court will give the 90 days from the filing of the wakalat or serving the summons. So then he has to file the WS within 90 days. After lapse of the 90 days, there is no chance, automatically door closed. This is the first point. Then so the court deemed that the defendant is not interested. The court will pass a order in favor of the plaintiff, that is called ex parte order. The second point, if after receiving summons, defendant is not completely not come to the court, is not engaged in an advocate, even though a certain date the court will call the name of the defendant. If he is present, no problem. If he is not present, the court will directly pass the ex parte order. It means an opportunity given by honorable court, then that must be used by the defendant. So on these 2 points, the defendant failed to comply the condition of the court, means submission of the WS counter. Then the court will pass a order in favor of the plaintiff, that is called ex parte order. Whether the defendant has a chance to cancel that order, that is means set aside the order, yes friends. Then the provision, already you know that order 9, rule 7, read with section 151 of the CPC, will give the chance to the defendant to file a WS with a set aside petition. So in case of set aside petition, the affidavit is there and they have to mention the reasons why they are not come to the court earlier, and must be mentioned the reasons in reasonable grounds. And petition, already you told that under order 9, rule 7, read with section 151 of the CPC. And so if it is any list of document or WS or counter, must be attached WS. So if it is a fresh, wakalat must be attached. The set of the petition filed by the defendant. So before filing that, copy of it must be given to the counsel of the other side, means plaintiff. So the court will take that is under IA. So call for IA hearings. If the court is satisfied, then the court will, if it is a court allow, then the defendant has the opportunity to participate in a proceedings. So once allowed, then participation given. So this is the procedure available for the defendants who is not filed a double S within the stipulated time and is not come to the court earlier, and on this grounds, then there is chance is given by the court. That is the under title of the set aside. So means it is a type of the cancel of the order, cancel of the ex parte order. So if ex parte order is not cancelled, what is the, whether it is affecting on the defendant? Yes, it is affecting the defendant. It is a favor to the plaintiff. Plaintiff has the rights as per ex parte order. You can materialize. So remember. So you have to respect the court. When the court receive the notice or summons and approach the court, you have to give your reply. So this is the topic of set aside petition. So in civil cases, there is opportunity given to the defendants only. Right. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all. If you like, give the one like and share, subscribe, forward to your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you one and all.